a night to choose to capture and document the England game at 2 in the morning. Oh, what a game. This is day 3 of the series from idea to posted, where I document the process of making a short form video from scratch. We've covered the idea, the plan, and last night, well, technically 2 a.m. in the morning, the filming. England versus Mexico. 3 generations round my brother's house. What a night. In this episode, something slightly different. We're going to be moving from pen and paper to the iPad. If you remember, pen and paper, we did the idea, we did the plan, and now we're moving over to the iPad. So let's see what I captured. I'm going to just kind of take you through bits and pieces. So this was the start, and this is where I thought I would make sure I captured the time and date, and it was in the car, so I'd arrived at my brother's, which was really good. And then here, we're just panning through here, which is really nice to see the sunset that is going down as I've arrived at my brother's. So a long kind of time to go, and you know, a bit of a shot that I can use here, which is establishing. This was the pizza. Now, the thing with the pizza and the problem with the pizza was I forgot I was capturing the food and I was hungry and I'd waited, and then it arrived and I just started eating. So as you can see, it's only half a pizza. It wasn't like, what I would say is like, what I wanted to capture was like the buffet of food or the collection of food that had been ordered on this evening. Doesn't even look that good. So whether I use the food or not, I'm not too sure. This was just something that was up in my brother's house, a flag. So this was an added on that wasn't part of the kind of shot lists. If we see here, the shot list, it wasn't on there. So this was just something added that I thought I could feature. Give me 1 second. Let me see if I can turn this brightness up full. And then, so this is the other thing, right? Is it was dark. And this was one of the things that I didn't really think about at that time of night, because I thought that there'd be enough light around. But because of bugs, we kept the light off in the lounge where we were watching it, because you'll see in a minute anyway. Another one at a time, and you can't really see this, but obviously it's a nice digital clock, but this is just on the cooker in the kitchen, which is good. And we go through different kind of times. The England squad, which is great. And this is kind of me taking a picture from inside. So as you can see, there's light coming from there, but not a lot of light. And that's kind of just from the TV. So that's just us waiting. The kickoff got moved as well. So more of the same. A screenshot from my phone at midnight. Some more of the goodies that we bought. We actually didn't end up eating hardly any of these. I think a bag of crisps maybe, but all the sweets were left over, so we're saving them for the next match. I love this shot. This is one of my favourite shots. Inside, and then the kind of moon in the background, which I think is really good. So I'll probably end up using that one. Again, 1 o'clock, which was the actual time the kickoff was meant to be, but it didn't end up being that time. Little pre-interview, me and my dad in the room, me before kickoff with my shirt on, us getting ready to kind of rock and roll, pulling faces. Again, I might not use all of this. Now this setup here so this is just as we are about to kind of sing the national anthem, so to kind of whiz through. But what I also noticed here, which again, time lapse, which is good. One of my kind of key failings was I actually missed the first goal and getting it on camera. And the reason I did that is I got really conscious of how long my camera was being on for. And I wasn't worried about battery, I was worried about the memory. And if the memory gets too full, I was filming at 4K, if it gets too full, it will just stop the recording. And I thought, I didn't want it to stop and not be aware that it stopped. So instead I stopped it myself and then carried on, stopped it myself, carried on for a bit, and then put it back on a bit later, and in between missed the goal. So this is us finishing up the national anthem, us singing away, me having a drink at whatever time that is, my dad looking nervous, and just the room as a whole, collecting kind of the atmosphere before kickoff. The actual kickoff time, which was 2 o'clock in the end. So again, that clock feature can be plotted in and out all throughout the kind of video. When we get to the edit, the start, just again, that was the 1-0 after the goal. So it was great, but I missed the actual celebrations of the goal. But this is us all obviously taking it in a little bit. I think by this time as well, I told my family I was going to make it into a video. So I think they not reacted more, but when they saw it, they, you know, switched on a little bit more, which was nice. Got some great reactions. This was after the red card, the drama. Obviously focusing on the time and the score and the red card and the score and stuff. So again, be a valuable key point, which will be good. This was getting to the penalty stages. So obviously with the penalty, I knew it was coming. So obviously I could plan a little bit more for it, which was good. I had a couple of cameras on at the same time, and this is getting to the early hours of the morning. So look at the light coming in. Very similar shot to earlier with the moon and the panning, which is great. I was actually on that trampoline in the early hours of the morning. Final stages, just a bit more footage. Now some of this footage is minutes and minutes and minutes long, like 16 minutes, 20 minutes long. So I'm gonna have to find just like the key moments that I want and pull them out for the edit. So yeah, again, and again, we get to the end of the night now, and this is where we've won, and more kind of morning shots. By the time I was going to sleep, that was like my last look before sleep. That's what I managed to create in and film during that time. Did make mistakes, didn't think about the lighting, didn't really think about making sure, double checking the memory and how long it would last, was a bit impatient and obviously got invested. So the plan wasn't perfect, but it got us most of the way there. I captured most of the things I wanted to, a few added bonuses, and unfortunately didn't work out and missed a few little bits, but we move on to the edit in the next episode, so make sure you are following along, make sure you're subscribed so you can see how it turns out. I'm Ray, this is Simply Create. Until the next one.